Welcome to this in-depth look at the 2026 T.1000 Army Tank, the next generation war machine built for unmatched strength, mobility and precision. Today we're going to explore everything you need to know about this incredible combat vehicle, from its cutting-edge features to its estimated price and what makes it one of the most advanced tanks in the world. The T.1000 is not just a tank, it's a statement of future warfare capability, designed with stealth armor, AI integrated targeting and hybrid powertrain. It stands far ahead of traditional battle tanks. Its body is built using classified composite armor materials that provide both reactive and passive protection against anti-tank weapons, drones and mines. This tank features a fully automated turret system equipped with a 125mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing high-velocity projectiles with pinpoint accuracy at over 6 kilometers. Alongside that, it hosts a secondary 30mm remote weapon station and anti-aircraft missile pods, giving it both offensive and defensive superiority in multi-domain combat zones. Powering the T.1000 is a hybrid turbo diesel engine paired with a fully electric silent mode for stealth operations. This engine gives the tank a top speed of over 75 km/h on-road and nearly 50 km/h off-road, with a range of up to 650 km. It also includes self-repair diagnostics, auto-cooling systems and smart suspension that adapts to terrain in real time. Inside the control bay there's no traditional crew setup. The T.1000 is designed for a two-person operation with an AI co-pilot that assists in target acquisition, environmental analysis and battlefield communication. Augmented reality helmets and a 360-degree camera system allow operators to stay fully aware without exposing themselves to danger. The tank's communication system is encrypted on multiple levels, allowing for real-time data sharing with drones, command centers and other units on the field. It can even control robotic scout vehicles or drone swarms for recon missions, all from the cockpit. Another major highlight is its ability to switch from autonomous to manual mode, allowing for unmanned operations in high-risk zones. With its battlefield AI, the T.1000 can assess threats, prioritize targets and engage with minimal human input, which significantly lowers risk for military personnel. Estimated entry-level price for the T.1000 is projected around $8 to $9 million per unit, depending on configuration and country contracts. This price includes its full AI system, modular weapons pack and satellite integration. It's expensive, yes, but every component justifies the cost when you consider its capabilities and battlefield survivability. Nations around the world are already showing interest in this tank, especially those focusing on AI-driven defense technology. Some even claim it could replace entire armored fleets in the next decade due to its multifunctional role as a scout, striker and support unit. The 2026 T.1000 is a symbol of future war intelligence and armor superiority. From urban defense to desert warfare and cross-border stealth missions, this tank adapts to every challenge thrown its way. Whether you're a defense enthusiast, military analyst or just fascinated by future technology, this tank is something you need to keep an eye on. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and drop your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.